ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अनवद्यं
अस्तोभम्
च
सूत्रं
सूत्रविदो
सूत्रविदो विदुः.
My voice is clear, no?
Yes.
Yes, yes, Paramji.
Ayun ऋलग एओंग ऐ औच अयवरट लण यमंगणनम जभै घटधश जभगढ़दश खपचटथ छटतौ कपै शशसर हल इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
सूत्राणि
अकुग विसर्जनीयानां कंठः इचुयशानां तालु
तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा लुतुलसानां दन्ताः उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ न्यमगणनानां नासिका च एदैतोः कण्ठतालु ओदौतोः कण्ठौष्ठम् वकारस्य दन्तौष्ठम् जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
राजमणिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिगता निशाचरचमूः रामेणाभिगता निशाचरचमू रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामाय तस्मै नमः।
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
भो राम मामुद्धर
श्रीरामः शरणं समस्तजगतां रामं विना का गति
श्रीराम
शरणं समस्तजगतां रामं विना का गतिः
रामेण प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं रामाय कार्यं नमः
रामेण प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं रामाय कार्यं नमः।
रामात्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं वशे
रामात्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो
रामस्य सर्वं वशे
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे रामत्वमेवाश्रयः
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे रामत्वमेवाश्रयः।
रामो मे विहितं करोतु सततं रामं भजे सादरम्
रामो मे विहितं करोतु सततं रामं भजे सादरम्
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्
रामान्मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सर्वसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सर्वसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया भो राम मां पालय
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया भो राम मां पालय
इदमस्तु सन्निकृष्टं समीपतरवर्ति च एतदोरूपम्
इदमस्तु सन्निकृष्टं समीपतरवर्ति च एतदोरूपम्
अदसस्तु विप्रकृष्टं तदिति परोक्षे विजानीयात्
अदसस्तु विप्रकृष्टं तदिति परोक्षे विजानीयात्
संहितैकपदे नित्या नित्याधातूपसर्गयोः
संहितैकपदे नित्या नित्याधातुपसर्गयोः
नित्याः समासे वाक्ये तु सा विवक्षामपेक्षते
नित्यासमासे वाक्ये विवक्षामपेक्षते
प्रत्ययाः शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमास्तथा
प्रत्ययाशिवसूत्राणि आदेशागमास्ततः
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशा प्रकीर्तिता
सु औजस्
सु औजस्
औषस्
out shas
tabhyam bis,
tabhyam bis
ngebhyam byas,
ngebhyam bhyas
nasibhyam byas,
nasibhyam bhyas
nas os
nas os
ni os sup,
ni os sup
su au jas.
su au jas.
I think still people have problem in joining the class. I think they are. I'll send the link. I think. Anyway, okay. Here, last class we saw what are sarvanama sthana pratyayas. Nobody did the homework. Very good. I told you do the shabda, each one of you. I expect everyone to do take one shabda, do the derivation. I think this is also karma yoga. Don't
I'll send it
expect
today only, Sharanji.
Karmanyeva adhikaraste mahapaleshu kadachana. I think should be wrongly interpreted shloka. Then okay, anyway, fine. If you understand, it's okay. No problem. Then what are okay? Can you hear me? Please keep the mic unmute, Krishnamaji. And then this you can respond so that I know it's working.
Yes, sir.
What
Sure,
are
sure.
sarvanamasthana pratyayas?
Sut.
Anyone can ask.
Sut.
That is for Pullinga and
Pullinga,
Strilinga.
Strilinga. And jas and shas are for Napumsakalinga.
When it says su, sut, su, just it includes sambodhana also. We did not mention separately.
Yeah.
Similarly, just and shas, when you say just, 8-3 is included also. First, Napumsakalinga. So based on linga, the sarvanama sthana pratyas are defined. Okay.
What about the other pratyas? Other pratyas are called
Sarvanama.
Sarvanama, Asarvanama Sthana Pratyaya. And when Haladi Sarvanama Sthana Pratyaya follow, then the Prakriti, that is a Pratipadikam, enjoys the status of being a
Padam.
Therefore, all the rules related to Padam can be applied. Yes or no?
Yes.
That's what we learned in the last class. How many rules we learned? One is, start with
Justvam.
one, Justum one. What does it say?
When
Hal
Jal
at the end of Padam will be replaced by corresponding Jash. So Pratyahara must be clear. What is Jal, what is Jash? In that context, when we say Jal and Jash,
Yes.
what is that letter means? Don't tell the letter. In that context, what under which Pratyahara that letter comes, right?
Yes.
So Justum 1. Justum 2.
Jal
followed by.
Hal at the end of Padam and followed by
the corresponding
will be replaced by
That is
corresponding.
what we apply for 3-2, 3-3, 4-2, 4-3, 5-2, 5-3, 7-3. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Then when Jal letter at the end followed by Avasana, then can be replaced optionally by corresponding Char letter. That is optional. That is why Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam you have two forms. Marud or Marud, Tad or Tat, Etad, Etat, Upanishad, Upanishat, all this. But when followed by Kar letter, when Jal when followed by Kar, like in 7-3,
option.
no option. Must be. When Jal is followed by Kar letter, Char is mandatory. Where is option? Marudsu only. If you have choice, Marudsu, no. Understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Clear, right?
Yes.
Only when followed by Avasana option is there. Option for Chartvam. Followed by Kar, Chartvam must be applied. So 2 Chartva, 2 Jashtvam we saw. The order remember. Jashtvam 1, followed by Jashtvam 2 if it is applicable. Then Chartvam 1, then followed by Chartvam 2 if it is applicable. Chartvam 2 is optional. Right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Remember this.
Charanji, can you
Simple.
repeat Justvam 1 and 2 and Chatvam 1 and 2, just making sure that I
Padant jal replaced by corresponding just letter. That is justum 1. Then jal followed by jash. Jash. Okay. That
Mahaprana Jash, right? The second one.
no, not Mahaprana. Of course, yeah. Means both are Mahaprana only. Jabagada Jash. 4 and 3. Fourth letter of all the consonants, class consonant, and third letter. That pratyahara which covers both. Jash.
Yes.
Talavi Shakara. With the letter. Then jal replaced by jash. There is no choice. Should be in both.
Yes.
When jal is followed by kar, replacement by char is mandatory. At the avasana, jal followed by avasana, replacement by char is optional.
So the kar is Chatvam 1 and Avasana is Chatvam 2. What is Chatvam 1 and 2?
That kar is chartam 1.
Okay.
Avasana chartam 2.
Okay.
Okay. Tip tas G.
Tip tas G.
Sip tas tha.
Sip tas tha.
Mip vasmas.
Mip vasma.
Mas.
Ta atam jha.
Ta atam jha.
Tas atham dhvam.
Thas
Atham.
atam dhvam.
It vahi maging.
It.
Vahi mahing.
Titaha anti.
Ti anti.
Sitaha tha.
Sitha tha.
Mi vaha maha.
Mi vaha maha.
Kriyapadam. Let us take the ratati, ratataha, ratanti.
Ratati, Rataha, Ratanti.
Ratati means repeats. Like you repeat now, ratati. Ratasi, ratataha, ratatha.
Ratasi rataha
Tha.
Ratami, ratavaha, ratamaha.
Ratami ratavaha ratamaha.
Svashitam. Kakak, Krishnaf, Pikak, Krishnaha.
Kakak
Krishna
Krishna.
Krishna.
Ko bedaf, Pikakakayoh.
Ko
Vasantakale samprapte.
Vasantakaale samprapte.
Kakak, kakaf, pikaf, pikaha. Kakaha Krishnaha. Krishna Varnaha ityartaha. Krishnaha means not Krishna, Lord
Black.
Krishna. Huh? Black.
Black.
Krishna is Draupadi. Probably she's also black in color, right? That's why Krishna, black. But she's looks good, appearance, she's beautiful. Kakaha Krishnaha Bhavati. Let us apply Bhavati, Asti. What about Pikaha? Pikaha api Krishnaha eva. Krishna Varnaha eva, right? Ko Vedaha. What is the difference between the two? Of the two, Pika Kakayoho, Shashti Bhakti. Of the two, what's the difference? Taka Veda, Ko Vedaha, what's Sandhi? Utva. Room preceded by A, followed by Ash letter. Yes or no?
Yes.
Therefore, Utva Sandhi. Ko Vedaha. Visarga, this is good place. Visarga, the Upadmaniya and Jukhamaliya. First one, Kakaha, Kaka. Visarga followed by Kakara. Therefore, Visarga can be optionally replaced by Jukhamaliya. Similarly, Visarga followed by Pakara can be optionally replaced by Ardha Visarga, Upadmaniya. Fine. Vasantakale samprapte. Vasantakalaha. That is spring season. Vasantasya kalaha. Samprapti, agate. When it comes, Vasanta kale, what vibhakti?
7-1.
7.
7-1.
7-1.
Samprapte. 7-1 also. Same thing.
Yeah.
Samprapta shabda. Sampraptaha, samprapto, sampraptaha. Samprapte. Sati. I mean, when it comes, Sati Saptami, it is type of Saptami. We don't know what it is, don't worry. Vasantakale samprapte sati. When spring arrives, then what happens? Then you know. Kakaha is kakaha. Pikaha is pikaha. How do you know?
When it starts singing,
Yes.
opens its mouth.
Vaai thanda therinja podu. The moment it opens its mouth, then we know which is kaka, which is pika. Kaka can no more cheat. Right? So it will come to know its real color when the moment it opens its mouth. That's what it says. That is the, in fact, that is the niti. Right? The real color when comes to know. The right moment comes. Okay. That is Subhashita. Nice one. Then, anyway, we'll do the same Amara Kosha, same, not changed it. Swaravyayam Sarganaka Tridivatra
Swaram
Surloko Jyodivo Dve Striyam Klibetra Vishtapam. Oh, sorry. Thank God. It doesn't disappear. Vriddhiradich Adinguna Iko Guna Vriddhi Nadhatalopa Ardhadhatuke Niti Cha These are Mati Shabda, right? Last Mati Shabda's declension. Understand, Mati. Ikarantaha Pullingaha Mati Shabdaha. I hope you all memorize the Shabdas. Okay. I keep adding, but some class, I mean, I just give some time. I'm not adding. After that, Ukaranta is there. I'm not adding. Rikaranta we have not seen. So I give some time. Please memorize. Matihi Mati Matayaha. Matim Mati Matihi. Matya Matibhya Matibihi. Matyai Matahe Matibhyam Matibhyaha. Matyaha Matehe Matibhyam Matibhyaha. Matyaha Matehe Matyoho Matinam. Matyam Mato Matyoho Matishu. Hemate Hemati Hematayaha. Please memorize this. Mati Shabda, Adi Shabda, Mati Shabda. Oh, okay. Yeah, Bhagavad Gita. Yes. I didn't open the file. So many files I had to open. Just a minute. Okay. So second chapter. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Atadvitiyodhyayah. Shri Bhagavan
Shri Bhagavan
49, I think.
Yes.
दूरेण ह्यवरं कर्म
दूरेण ह्यवरं कर्म
बुद्धियोगात् धनञ्जय
बुद्धियोगात् धनञ्जय
बुद्धौ शरणमन्विच्छ
बुद्धौ शरणमन्विच्छ
कृपणाः फलहेतवः
कृपणाः फलहेतवः
What is the pratipadikam फलहेतवः?
the hetu
Hmm?
फलहेतु
फलहेतु उकारान्तः like what शब्द?
Guru Shabda.
गुरु शब्दः गुरु गुरु गुरवः हेतुः हेतु हेतवः फलानां हेतु फलस्य हेतु compound कृपणाः miserly people. But here what is miserly has to do? Miserly is different here meaning here. Miserly only Atmanam aviditva yah asmat lokat praiti saha kripanaha. Brihadaranyaka Upanishad says. One who leaves this loka without knowing Atma is called kripana. Having given, Bhagavan has given buddhi. But still the person doesn't use to know Atma and leaves and gets caught in this samsara chakra. He is a kripana. Having given this wealth of knowledge, the person doesn't use. It's kripana only. Not only the kripana, the word meaning the person who is conjuice, stingy. This also. Viveka is there not using. Buddhi is there not using. Shastra is there not using. Teachers are there not going and studying. Tripadaha. Like what Shabda?
Ramaha
Ramaha Ramo Ramaha. Buddhau. Just now we chanted Shabda.
Buddhi.
What vibhakti?
Like Mati.
What Shabda? Mati Shabda. What vibhakti? What Vachanam?
Prathama.
7-1.
7-1.
It is.
7-1.
Matau. Matyoho. Matishu. Buddhau. Buddhyoho. Buddhishu. Right? Durena. Tritiya. What about Hyevaram?
Avaram.
2-1
What Sandhi?
E plus
Yeah,
N
Yan
Sandhi. Durena Yavaram Karma. Karma or Karmaha? Huh? Is it Karma or Karmaha?
Karma.
Karmaha.
Karmaha. Right? Should be Karmaha, right? It's not Karmaha. It is Karma only. Napumsakalinga. Not like Pala Shabdavat. Palam Pale Palani. Karma Karme Karmani. No. It is not Akaranta. It is Nakaranta Shabda.
Karman.
You have to see Karmanna Shabda. Declension is Karma Karmani Karmani. Anyway, so that's why passing here Karma. There is no Visarga. Okay. Karma only. Buddhi Yoga Dhananjaya. Split this. Buddhi Yoga Dhananjaya.
Buddhi yoga.
Yogat.
Yoga.
Dhananjaya.
Yoga.
Buddhi.
Yoga.
Ta.
What Sandhi is that?
Ramat.
Vibhakti.
Buddhi
Yoga.
Yoga Dhananjaya.
Yoga.
Chart.
Dhananjaya Sambodhana. Two different. This is not a compound. Okay. Buddhi Yoga is one word. Dhananjaya is one word. Another word. So they are joined by Sandhi. So Dhananjaya is split.
Yoga.
Exactly. That's what. You have to apply what we have learned.
So,
Dhananjaya. Here it is. Suppose if you take Buddhi Yogat, for example, Buddhi Yogat plus Dhananjaya is equal to, this is Padante Kimasti. What is that?
Jal letter.
Should be replaced by corresponding
Jash.
Just.
Justum 1. Then after that,
Jash.
join.
Justum 2. Because this is
Again,
Jal followed by
Name.
Jash. Apply the same thing. I
Again,
mean,
it
not same
becomes
thing, Justum 2 it is.
Yoga.
Buddhi Yoga Dhananjaya. That's what it is. Understand? Buddhi yoga, what vibhakti?
That is like Amat.
Like what shabda?
Ramat.
Ramat.
Ramad. Buddhi yoga. Buddhi yoga is
Abhaya.
Buddhi yoga Dhananjaya. Durena Habaram Karma Buddhi yoga, Jnana yoga. Okay. Yoga of knowledge. Compound. Buddheha yoga. Or Buddhi is a Buddheha yoga only you have to take. Okay, that is the meaning. Fine. Then
Karanji,
so
this
apply.
just from 1, just from 2, they look so identical. Both
Same
are
only.
Jal
Yes.
followed by Jash, right? Both are.
Both are Jal followed by Jash. No. Jastum is Padante.
Yes.
Jastum 1.
Yes.
Jastum 2. There is no such condition of Padam.
Okay. That is the difference.
That's the difference. Is there any Pada condition given for Jastum 2?
No.
Then you can apply whether it is at the end of the Padam or not at the end of the Padam. A Padam, that's okay. Padanta Jal also. Both are fine. Padanta Jal only condition is there. Jal at the end of the Padam. Or Jastum 1. Jastum 2, we don't have any condition.
Can you give an example of a non-Padanta Jal followed by this just from 2? Padanta.
Even Marudbhyam itself we can take. That is a technically Padam, but Marudbhyam alone is a Padam. Right? That itself is. In a compound you will see. Last class I think I gave. Bhagavat Kripa. Bhagavad Gita, what is that? Huh? Bhagavad Gita is a compound. There also it is at the end of the Padam. It's a Padam or you can take it as Bhagavad Gita. Of course it's a Padam, Bhagavad Gita. I'll see if it is there, it will come. Marudbhyam itself is okay. Marut is technical Padam. But Marut alone you cannot use. Marudbhyam alone. Pratyaya plus Prakriti plus Pratyaya. That's an example. Right? Okay. Understand? In the Marut Shabda, there is a Prakriti and a Pratyaya. Both are there. That Prakriti giving a Sanya, Padam. Therefore, we apply. If suppose if Pada Sanya is not there, then also we will apply. Yes or no? That's what it is.
Sir.
That's same thing. So Marudbhyam example itself will all good. What's the problem? Right?
Okay.
If I want to give another example, then I have to give Kridanta example and all. We have not seen it. We don't understand. That's why I'm not giving that. Later we will see. When we learn, you will see that.
Okay.
And we are seeing only now with a little knowledge. With a little knowledge, we are deriving the Pradipadikam, Marut. Okay, that is enough. Later you will see the application of Marut in non-Padanta situation. In the derivation of Kriya Padam or Kridanta, etc., you will see. But it's too much now. That I cannot give now.
Okay.
Buddhi yukto jahatiha
Buddhi yukto jahatiha
ve sukrita dushkrute
Ubhe
sukrita dushkrute
tasmad yogaya yujyasva
Tasmad yogaya yujyasva.
yoga karmasu kaushalam.
yoga karmasu kaushalam.
Karmasu, what vibhakti? Su, by saying su, you should be able to tell.
7-3.
Yes. Yogaha, karmasu. In action, yoga is kaushalam. 1-1. Yudhya yujyasva means it's a lot lakara, which we don't know. Don't worry. Yujyasva. Tasmad yogaya, what's Sandhi? Same. Sorry, not same. I mean, Tasmad is there. You apply Jashtvam, Tasmad, right? Followed by not Jash. That is why only Jashtam alone, one alone we have to apply.
Oh.
Tasmat plus yoga.
Yoga.
Here, if you take Tasmat,
Tasmat, yoga.
Takara, replaced by third letter of the class, just letter.
Takara.
Tasmat is a
Becomes
padam.
Dakara.
Tasmat is which? What vibhakti? What vachanam? What shabda?
By one.
Not five
Of
one.
the shabda?
Ramat.
Tad.
Aha.
Tad shabda. So
Tad
Tasmat become Tasmad. After that, Jashtam 2 cannot be applied because following one is Yakara. Not a Jash letter. Cannot apply Jashtam 2. Therefore, even if it is there, then it looks appear, same will be, but it is not applied. It cannot be applied. Okay. Tasmad yoga, yeah. Buddhi yukto. What is
Uttva.
yukto? Jaha. Huh?
Buddhi.
Uttva.
Not uktihi. Buddhi yukto. What sandhi is there?
Uttvam.
Uttam. Followed by Hash. Roop preceded by Ha, followed by Hash. Jahati ha. Here also sandhi is there.
Jahati. Ja.
Yahati.
Iha.
Jahati plus Iha.
Savar. Savarna dirgha.
Sarna dirgha.
Savana dirgha sandhi. Okay. Now, the last class I explained about Marut. I explained further. Please see. I will send this file. What is a pratyaya? Pratyaya is defined. Actually, this is a part of Subanta Prakaranam. But I am giving here as an example for Sandhi. So 2 in 1. Oracle rendu vaanga. So both, you know, the derivation of Subanta also, as well as Sandhi also you learn extra. So instead of learning the Sandhi separately to some other example, that also I'll give. It is there in the summary. But we have learned through the Shabda. And Shabda derivation also we know. Shabda also we know and the derivation, Marut Shabda. Now, what is a pratyaya? Pratiyate, vidiyate. Iti pratyaya. That which is ordained is called pratyaya. Vidiyate, which is ordained. Okay, that's called pratyaya. There are many pratyayas. So many pratyayas are there. In fact, in the Ashtadhyayi, for many people it is Kashtadhyayi. That's also relevant. Ashtadhyayi, the 3rd chapter, 4th chapter, and 5th chapter. How many chapters are there?
8.
Ashtadhyayi means 8. 3, 4, and 5. Each chapter has got 4 sections. Okay. Therefore, how many sections in total?
32.
32. 3rd chapter, 4th chapter, 5th chapter. The 3 chapters cover pratyayas. Okay. 3rd chapter covers the pratyayas which are added to dhatus, like Tiptasji, what you chanted now, those pratyayas. 4th and 5th chapters cover pratyayas which are added to the pratipadika. Okay. Now, that is one thing. Fine. There are 2 important pratyayas which makes a prakriti into padam. We know, don't we know? Yes or no? What are those 2 important pratyaya which makes a prakriti into a padam? Prakriti could be a dhatu, pratipadikam, sup.
Subantam.
That is what I am referring to. Suppanting.
Hmm.
If the prakriti is dhatu, then the pratyaya is thing. If the prakriti is pratipadikam, pratyaya is sup. So pratyayas added to dhatus are thing pratyayas. Pratyayas added to pratipadikams are sup pratyayas. So that which end with sup and thing are called
Padam.
padam. That's why definition supting antam padam. That is sutra. Simple. Supting antam padam. 1st chapter, 4th section, 14th sutra. If you remember Rama Vanavasa, number of years, then 1414. Tingantam padam. Ting antam padam, that is called Kriya padam. Sub antam padam, subantam. Here itself you see sandhi. What sandhi we applied? Sub antam.
Suppu. Suba.
What sandhi?
But no Sandhi, it's just addition, right? Join.
No.
Sup.
No, P becomes B.
Not BA.
Oh, sup.
What is that?
Pa.
What sandhi?
Pakara becomes bakara.
What's Sandhi then?
Cho.
Mm.
Bird to
Huh?
okay. This just
Just Sandhi, justum one. Come on.
Justvam.
What is the problem? It's simple, no? This is what you learn.
Jal becomes
Don't stuck with only takara, dakara. Can be any
Yeah.
letter, right? Yes
yeah.
or no?
Yes.
Sup plus
Yes.
antam. Sup is a word. Sup is a pratyaya, but sup itself a pratipadikam we can decline. Okay, you have to take technically the sup is as a padam you take. Then padam is another word we are adding. When this is a padam is a word, is a padam. Sup also must be a padam only. What else? Huh? If this is a fully inflected word, then this also must be a padam. This cannot be a prakriti. Huh? Right? Therefore, consider this also to be a padam. Then, when we join this by Jasha Sandhi, Jal letter at the end of the padam, replaced by what? Sorry, this is not padam, this is anta. Anta. Kshamita. Anta, Kshamita. This will be replaced by bakara. Bakara plus subanta.
Ba.
That is what subantam is. Now you understand what subanta is. How subanta? Subanta itself has got Jasha Sandhi. Suprasantam. Subantam. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, then Sarvanamastana Pratyaya, which we learned for Pullinga and
Karan,
Strilinga.
Ji, I had a question. Sup is, I was thinking when just as joining a sup plus antam initially.
Mm.
Sup is a padam, I was thinking it's just sup plus
No,
antam
it is a
joining
padam. In the grammar, we consider it to be a padam. The language doesn't have any meaning.
Okay.
The grammar, it is sup
padam.
pratyaya. Sup is a padam. For subantam. Don't say supantam. That is wrong. Supantam. Subantam.
Same is applicable for Ajanta also, right?
Exactly.
plus
Very
antam.
good. Yes.
Yeah.
That's what it
Ja.
is. Ach plus antam. Exactly. What is it? Ach plus antam? Ach should be taken as a
Ja becomes ja.
the pratipadikam. This also okay. Ach is like marut shabda. You can decline. That's how in the Vyakaran it is declined. How do you decline ach shabda now? Can you decline? Ach, acho. I have marut shabda by with you. Just see.
Marutaha. So achaha.
Ach, acho, achaha, acham, acho, achaha, acha. Then acha. Then what? Ajbyam, ajbihi, ache, ajbyam, ajbyaha, achaha, ajbyam, ajbyaha, achaha, achoho, acha, achi, achoho.
Achu.
Then aj. So the ach becomes replaced by ach plus su. I think we have not. We have learned, no? Yeah, we have learned. Ach plus su. Yeah. Ach will be padam. First is replaced by jakara. Then something else happen, which which we have not seen. It's okay. We'll see that later. Don't worry. One more rule is there. Ach plus su.
Ajadi also something like that.
Exactly. All same thing. Yes. Now ach plus antam is apply the jashto vidhi. This jal at the end of the padam replaced by jakara. Therefore ajantam. Ajadi also same thing. Ach plus adi. Ach is one padam. Adi is another padam. Adi he, suppose if you say. Jal at the end of the padam, which is chakara, replaced by corresponding just letter jakara. Ajadihi, ajadi dhatuhu, haladi dhatuhu, ajantam, alantam. Understand? Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now Pullinga and Strilinga, we have seen what are Sarvanamastana Pratyayaha. Sarvanamastana is a name. And Napumsakalinga, it is just and shas, right? Now, what is Asarvanamastanam? Na Sarvanamastanam is Asarvanamastanam. Other than Sarvanamastana Pratyas are Asarvanamastana Pratyas. You have to take for Pullinga, Strilinga, other than Sut. For Napumsakalinga, other than just and shas, right?
Yes.
Now, these Pratyas further can be classified into two. That is, I classify. Ajadi Asarvanamastana Pratyaya, Haladi Asarvanamastana Pratyaya. This is not required for us anyway, just an aside information. This is not required. When Ajadi Asarvanamastana Pratyaya follows the Anga meaning, I use the word Anga now. Anga is that which precedes a pratyaya. That is, in this case, Pratipadikam is the Anga, right? That
Yes, yes.
Pratipadikam get the Sanya, get the name, Bha, just Bha. Okay, don't ask what is Bha. Bha meaning letter, just a name. Bha, it's a name. Panini Maharishi doesn't want to use a long name. He will use like this, Bha, Ti, Gu, and all he will use. Ti means not chai. Ti is, that's a name given to a thing that is, that we will see what is T Sanya later. So they're all names, artificial names. Kirtrama Sanya. Panini Maharishi just, he creates himself. So Bha is a name, just Bha. Important name actually. This is Basya Adhikara is in the Ashtadhyayi. Bha is a name. So when the Anga, that is a Pratipadikam, when the Pratipadikam which follows the Ajadiya Sarvanamastana Pratyaya, get the Sanya Bha. Anyway, that is not required for us. That context will come, we'll see. So what are the Ajadi Asranamastana Pratyaya? These are the Ajadi Asranamastana Pratyaya in the last class we saw, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
All the contents I have given here. Now we are interested in Haladi Asranamastana Pratyaya. Why? Because the Anga, the Pratipadikam, get the Sanya Padam. See, Anga is a word we use to refer to that which precedes a Pratyaya. So it can refer to Dhatu, it can refer to Pratipadikam depending on the context. Now when Haladi Asranamastana Pratyaya follows, Anga gets a Sanya Padam. Then the question comes, what are those Haladi Asranamastana Pratyaya? That is what? 3233, 4243, 5253, 73. Right? Is it clear? This is already we discussed, right? Anything new? No.
Yeah.
Same thing.
Yes,
Yeah.
Now you see, I have given this in the form of a table. Some color coding is given. Can you understand the color coding?
Yes.
Yes.
So I will just out in what color? They are Sarvanamastana Pratyaya.
Sarvanama.
Sarvanama Pratyaya
And
for
that which is in yellow color is Haladi Asarvanamastana Pratyaya. When these Pratyayas follow, Anga enjoys Padasanya. That is why in this color given, yellow color. Another color, what is the color of that? Some other maybe. I'm very poor in recognizing the color. Not color blindness, whatever color. That Ajadi Asarvanamastana Pratyayas, they are given this color. Okay. This is for Pullinga and Strilinga. Napumsakalinga, yes, here given. Just initials are Sarvanamastana Pratyaya. Therefore, 1, 3, 2, 3, and 8, 3. What about the rest are? The rest are here also Haladi we can say, but here I don't say that because Su anyway, Ekal Pratyaya, generally you will see for Napumsakalinga, it goes away or replaced by Therefore, I'm not made this as a yellow color. So that also Napumsakalinga also we can take 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3, and 7, 3 as Haladi Asarvanamastana Pratyaya. When this Pratyaya follows, Anga enjoys Sanya. What? What Sanya enjoys? Anga, Pratipadikam.
Padam.
Padam. Are you all there or what?
Yeah, yeah.
Available?
Yes.
With all
Yes.
ears or no ears?
with all you.
Yeah, you have to respond, right? Otherwise, net is there or not. I am talking to myself. At the end of my talk, you will say, okay, sir, I could not hear. Please tell me, respond. Okay.
Yeah.
This is Napumsakalinga. So these sanyas you need to know. What are Asarvanamastana Pratyaya and Sarvanamastana and Asarvanamastana? Apruktam also we know. Ba is not important anyway, you know. When Ajadi Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows it, then the Pratipadikam, that is Anga, gets Sanya Bha. Then Padam. This is a incidental Padasanya. Okay. Because Padam means we cannot stop. We should not stop adding Pratyaya. Padasanya is given for the purpose of some Sandhi purpose, changing. Pratyaya only when it comes, and only it becomes a fully inflected word Padam. What is Apruktam? The last class we saw. Ekal Pratyaya, one lettered Pratyaya. Right? Aprukta. So Su, for example, Ekal Pratyaya. Similarly, for lung, lakara also I have given ekal pratyaya. That is not required because we have not seen. Takara is a lung lakara, past tense pratyaya. Similarly, sakara is also lung lakara, madhyama purusha pratyaya. Don't worry, we have not seen. That's an example I have given. Then what is the common rule? If the apruktam happens to be a hal consonant, then the apruktam will become lopaha when it follows a
Followed by
Following a
halanta
when it is-
pratipadikam.
Alanta.
Halanta prakriti I have given. Okay, like what? I take this example. Marut plus su. Su is sakara. U is it letter. Right? This aprataya kal pratyaya. The
Yes.
sakara follows
Yes.
consonant. Yes or no? Therefore,
Yes.
Yes.
this
Yes.
will become lopaha.
Lopaha.
When it becomes lopaha, pratyaya becomes lopaha, what will happen to the pratipadikam?
It becomes a padam. It
Padam.
becomes a padam.
Right? Once married is married.
Right.
After that, whatever may be happen. Married is married only. So now it's married. Right? Padam. It's a padam now. Marut pratipadikam is now a padam. Even though pratyaya sakara has become lopaha. The addition of supratya, what does it do? Converts the pratipadikam into a padam. Right?
Yes.
Understand? This is one marut. Now, after marut, this is a padam. We can apply jasya sandhi. Jastam
Yes.
1. By that, it becomes takara. After that, chartam 2. It becomes optionally takara. All of these are given here. You see the sequence. Marut plus su. Sakara goes away. Then you have got marut shabda. I given this number also. Number and all not important now. Just to know the name, sandhi is important. So you get marut, apply jastam 1. Jal at the end of the padam, replaced by corresponding jash. And chartam 2 is jal when
Replace.
followed by avasana. Gets
Avasana.
replaced by corresponding char optionally.
Yes.
So therefore, we have two forms, either marut or marut. Is it clear?
yes.
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 Same marut is replaced by indrajit, bhubrit, whatever may be, they have somasut. That's what example is. I asked you to do that. Marut plus au, suptingantam padam, it's a subantanav. Pratyaya is added, padam. Marut plus jas, content of jas. Numbers are given, don't worry about that. We are not interested. Marut content is us.
Us.
Therefore, marutas.
Right.
Padanta sakara becoming ru. Ru is nothing but repa. Repa will become visarga. What is the question?
We said it will marut plus sakara when it drops, that it becomes lopaha. That does not have a number. It is not a sandhi. The first one.
Here,
Yeah. The
it's
sakara
not a
drop.
sandhi.
It's not
Yeah. It's not a sandhi. Some other rule. I have not given the rule here.
Okay.
6168. Al gya bediga suti sapraktam al. If I say you will understand, no. That's why I'm not giving. Marut plus sam marutam, marut plus au marutau, marut plus shas, that is content is us. Same thing, marutaha. So therefore, marut shabda, you will see 1, 3, 2, 3, 5, 1, 6, 1, same form. Because content is
Us.
what? Us. Therefore, you will have same form. Marut plus ta, maruta, marut plus bhyam. Now only here, marut will enjoy what sanya? When ahladi asravanamastana pratyaya follows, gets pada sanya. Therefore, padanta jal replaced by jash. Justum 1. Then followed by what? Fourth letter of the class. Jash. Therefore, you apply Justum 2. Marudbhyam you get, right?
Yes.
Once you do Marudbhyam, same way for 3 also. Marud plus bis. Apply Justum 1. Marud. Then apply Justum 2. But here I have done very sequentially because I know the number I have given. It's okay. For you, it doesn't matter. You can replace Sakara by later, Ru later also, no problem. So yes, because Ruttam number is 8 to 66. So 8 to 39 I applied and then 8 to 66, 8 3 15. You see the numbers in ascending order.
Yeah.
That's why I put in this format. It's okay. For you, I don't, this the strict application is not required because we don't know what number, what sutras are. Just do Justum 1, followed by Justum 2, then Padanta Sakara is there, replaced by Ru. Ru is nothing but Repa, Visarga. That is enough. Therefore, Marut Bihi. Understand?
Yes.
Marut plus Nge, Marute. Marut plus Vyam. One time you do, you get 4 to 5 to 3 to 4 to 5 to. Every time you don't have to do it, right? The
Yeah.
homework is simple. In fact, the homework, you have to do only 1 1 and 1 3 2 and 3 3 and 1 4 number 4 3 1 because 5 3 is same and 7 3. Only 5 only you have to do. Other things are all just copy paste only. What big thing is that? Okay, Marudbyaha is same. Whether it is bis or bias, what is the big deal? Same thing only. Same process. Justum 1, Justum 2, apply. Then Sakara replaced by Ru and Repa and Visarga. Understand?
Yes.
What all of you, Krishna Swamiji, clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Then Ngasi, content is as same as 1 3 or 2 3. Marutaha. Marut plus Vyam 5 2. Already we did 3 2. 4 2. Same thing 5 2 Marut Vyam only. Marut plus Vyas. Already 4 3 done. Marut Byaha. Is there any difficulty in this?
No.
No.
Simple. 6 1 Marutaha. 6 2 and 7 2. Marut Os. Marutos. Marutoho. 6 3 Marutam. 7 1 Maruti. 7 2 same as 6 2. Marut plus Os. Marutoho. 7 3 what happens? There Supratya Haladi. Therefore, Pratipadikam enjoy Sanya. Padam. You apply Justum 1. Now Jash is followed. This is a just letter comes. Okay, fine. Jal is followed. Now we have to look upon as Jal for applying the Chartum 1.
Yes.
Even though this is Jash, for the application of Chartum 1, you have to look upon the Kara as what? Not a Jash anymore. Jal letter followed by Khar letter. This is Kara not Su. Sakara. Sakara,
Yes,
first letter only, not Su. Okay, not U and not Sakara. Khar letter. Therefore, replace the Jal by corresponding Char letter, which happens to be the first letter of the class, Marut. Marut
Yes.
Su. Understand, Chitaji? Yes? Are you there?
It's like,
Fine. Sindhuraji, clear? Huh?
Yes, Sharanji.
So I'm saying the same thing.
Am I audible? Yes, Sharanji.
Yes. Then 8 1, same as 1 1, 8 2, same as 1 2, 8 3. So much of that done. Right?
Sharanji, is my homework okay?
I have not seen. I just sent now, right? I'll see. Just see the same process you have followed. Same. Okay, this is how you get Marut. So you can do. What will be the Bhubrut Shabda? How do you decline? Bhubrud or
Bhubratav.
Bhubrut, Bhubrutau,
Bhubrataha.
Bhubrutaha, Bhubrutam,
Bhutam,
Bhubrutau, Bhubrutaha, Bhubruta,
Bhutam,
Bhubrutyam,
Bhubrudhyam.
Bhubrudbihi,
Bhi,
Bhubrute, Bhubrudbyam, Bhubrudbyaha, Bhubrutaha, Bhubrudbyam, Bhubrudbyaha, Bhubrutaha, Bhubratoho, Bhubrutaam,
Bham,
Bhubruti,
Bhuti,
Bhubratoho, Bhubrutsu. Then Bhubrut or Bhubrud, whatever it is. Bhubrutau, Bhubrutau. What is Bhubrut? Bhu Vibharti, the one who holds, sustain the Bhu, the Prithvi. Raja ityartaha, simple. Ishvara also name. Raja, king. Bhubrut is king. Indrajit, same. Indrajit, Indrajitau, Indrajitaha. Only you have to do only one. Indrajit or Indrajit. Simple. After that, it is only addition. Then take 3 2. Indra Chidbhyam. Once you do Indra Chidbhyam, others are easy because all are followed by Bha. Indra Jidbhihi, Indra Jidbhyaha. Any big deal? Only one is enough. And the 7 3 is Indra Jitsu. Yes or no? Justum 1 followed by Chartum 2. Chartum 1. Indra Jitsu you get. So 1 1, 3 2, 7 3. If you do it correctly, Shabda is done. Right?
yes.
Yes.
Yes, Sharanji.
1 1 3 2 7.
1 1, 3 2, 7 3. 3 2, if you do 3 3, 4 2, 4 3, 5 2, 5 3, same. That's no big deal. So 1 1, if you do correctly, and 3 2 and 7 3, it is done. Other places, just addition. Right?
Yes, sir.
You have to do many shabda to get familiarity. If you don't do, you will be just stuck there. I tell you have to do it. Follow the same sequence. You get slowly oriented to this. If you don't do homework, then what's the point, huh? How much time it will take to write this, huh? Take some time and do homework. Okay. Now I'll give other examples. So this Marut example, through Marut example, we have learned this 4 sandhis. Now you see other examples I've given here. Here we needed some more sandhi. After that, I will send this file. Marut file I will send you. Now it's just a sandhi number 1. Padanta jal will be replaced by jash. That is just from 1. Now take the example. Trishtup plus namati. Trishtup is a padam. Yes or no?
Yes.
How do you know it's a padam? Namati is a kriya padam.
Kriya padam.
So Trishtup means someone. Person also can be Trishtup. What is that ending with?
It's ending with kar letter.
Jal.
Not kar.
Jal.
We are applying jasya sandhi. Therefore, you have to look upon this as jal letter. Padante jal asti. Jalagastane. That is the sthani. Jash adesha bhavati. That is why it's called jasya sandhi. What is the jash letter for pakara?
Bakara.
Bakar.
Third one. So it is-
Bakara. That's what is bakara. You want more example? I can give more example. Vak plus arihi. What's sandhi? Hmm?
Already வச்சிருக்கேன் but கர்ணன்.
Vak plus arihi.
கர்ணன்.
Vak takara jal letter. Replaced by
Ga.
gakara. Vag.
Vag.
Right? It is replaced by vag.
So that's
After
why
that, some. Huh?
Wow.
so even that Vagish
Vagari,
stuff there, no,
Vagari.
it is same as
That
that. right?
Vagisha not here. That Vagisha, yes, that I will do. Here it's not at over. Vag plus Arihi continues because Ha also will undergo change. That level Sandhi will come later. That's why I'm not adding this. It becomes Vag Gharihi. Now Vag plus Ishaha. That's what you said. Yes.
Vagisha.
Vag is, that's a good example. Vag Harihi, I think not required. We'll see that later. Vag Ishaha is better. Vag will become
Vag.
Vag. Vag plus Ishaha.
Vagi.
Vagishaha. Vagishananda Swami is there. So Vagishaha. Right? Then
How does this
Jagat.
become? Because
Jagadishaha.
E letter is
huh?
which sandhi did we apply? Vag to vag. It's not a
Not
hal letter.
Sandhya.
What follows is E. It's not a jal.
Come on, just a moment. Don't you see? Read this there.
Padanta.
Padanta Jal it is. What is that?
Jal followed
Jal
by no.
Not followed by. Where is following? That's your superimposition.
Okay.
You're superimposing something on this.
Yeah.
Jal at the end of the Padam, I said.
Yes.
Vak
yes.
is a Padam.
Yes. Okay.
Jagat plus.
Jagad.
Jagat plus Isha, Jagati.
Jagat
Jagadisha.
plus Isha. Same thing.
Jagat
But I
plus
thought of
Ishwari.
something. Yeah.
Jagat plus
Jagat
Ishwari.
plus Ishwari. Same thing.
Yeah.
Jagat plus Ishwari becomes Jagad. Then
Jagadish.
Jagat plus Ishaha. Jagadishaha.
Jagadisha.
Jagadish. The name is the name of the person. Jagadishaha. Right?
In the previous, this thing, Vag plus Harihi, will it remain Vag Harihi?
No, that's something I removed that. Not that the example not required. Ha also will undergo change. Some rule is there that we will see later. Comes Vagharihi. We have not seen that. It's okay. Just alone you learn. Understand this? Is it clear? This just this example.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Then
Here, 1 minute. I've done many examples here.
Jagat Guru.
Same thing, Jagat Guru, yes. Jagat plus Guru, Jagat Guru.
Jagat.
Yes. We'll do a lot of examples. I've got many examples. Just looking for that file. Okay, anyway, I'll let you know. It is there in the very the file of Sandhi.
Sadguru.
Sadda also, but that example we'll take later. Something is there in the Sadguru that we will see. Dikpalaha.
Yeah.
Dikpalaha. Same thing.
Digbala.
Digbala.
Digpala.
Becomes Dig.
Bhagavad Gita Upanishadsu. All of that.
Yes, Bhagavad Gita, the compound, Bhagavad Gita. Now here, you can see.
Anushtup Sandhya. Anushtup.
Jasha Sandhi. Padanta Jal will be replaced by corresponding Jash. Given what are Jal and what are Jash, Marud become Marud, Vag become Vag, Ach plus Antaha, Ajantaha, Kakub. Kakub is the name, becomes Padam. Akaranta Shabda we can decline. Same as Marud Shabda only. There's no big thing. Kakub will become Kakub in Pratama Vibhakti or Kakub by Chartam 2. Vag Devata. Vag plus Devata.
Vag.
Vag Devata. Jagat plus Guruhu.
Jagat
Jagat Guruhu. Sat
Sadguru.
plus Gunaha. Sat Gunaha. Right? Tat plus Yata. Tat.
Yata.
Just a Sandhya apply. Replace by correspond. This is the Padam. Tad. Tat plus Yata. Tad Yata. Tad. Tat plus Api. Tadapi. Prag plus Eva. Prag Eva. Right? Asmat plus Idam. Asmat. What is Asmat? Panchami of
Asmat
Idam Shabda.
Asmat Shabda.
Idam Shabda.
Idam.
Therefore, Asmad. Asmad Idam. Jagrat plus Avastha. Jagrat. Takara. Jallata. Jagrat is a word. Padam. Replaced by Takara. Jagrad Avastha. Understand? Then Samyak plus Abhigitam. Takara, Jal, letter at the end of the Padam. Samyag becomes Gakara. Samyag Abhigitam. Maranaditi. Maranadati Richyate Gita. Maranat becomes Maranad. Maranadati. Swargat api gariyasi. Janani Janmabhumischa. Right? Swargat. Takara becomes Dakara. Madulit. Dayate. Madulit is honeybee. Flies. Dayate. Madulit. The word Padam. Replaced by corresponding just letter. What is the just letter? What is the third letter of the class? Tavarga. Therefore, Madulit Dayate. Right? Understand? All these, how many examples you want? Huh? So many examples are there. Right? Okay. Then another Sandhi, this we will see later. That will be little, not difficult. This just term first you understand. Then we'll see that. Other Sandhis. Okay, now let us go back to the file. So just you understand, right? Just 1 with this example. Marut Shabda I taught because Marut declension itself we can know. Other examples, all the examples can be included. This is only summary. Okay, now I can't give many examples here. Only 3 set of. Then next one is we saw what's on the Justum 2. You see the example. Justum, this is what you asked. Other than Papadanta, this is the example, but you will not understand this. That is why I'm not giving. Anyway, just I'll tell you what it is. Jal letter followed by Jash letter. Then Jal will be replaced by corresponding Jash. Like the example, Dog. Dog is a Dhatu. In fact, the Dhatu is Dug Dhatu. Become Dog. How does it become? Don't ask. It's out of scope.
and tum is a pratyaya. That becomes dhum. It's a pratyaya. Now dog plus dhum, you join. Prakriti and pratyaya. Sandhi is a must, no choice. Right? Yes or no? Samikiteika pade nitya. So between the prakriti and pratyaya, sandhi is a must. Now what is at the end of the anga? I call the dog as anga. Anga ending with what letter?
Jal.
Replace it by
Jash.
how? What rule? Because following letter is
Jal.
just letter. Not at the end of the padam. This is not a padam. Okay. Dog is a dhatu. How can be a padam? Tingantam subantam only padam. This is not a padam. Therefore, the khara is replaced by dog. Dogdum.
Yes.
Dogda Gopalanandanaha Partho Vatsasudir Bhokta Dugdam. Like Dugdam also. Dugdatu. Dugdam, Dogda, Milker, Dugdam, milk. Right? Dogdum. Similarly, Bodhum, to know. Bodh is a dhatu. From the Buddha dhatu, Bodh. Then one pratyaya. The pratyaya beginning with dhu, dakara. It is tum actually, but it's dakara. Fine. Now this is a jal letter followed by jash. Replace jal by corresponding jash letter, which happens to be
Third.
third
Dakara.
letter of that class, dakara, bodhum. Right?
Yes.
Then here, these are all apadanta example. Savitri.
Yes, understanding. Now I'm getting better. Yeah, understanding.
This is padanta example. Suhrut plus gachati. Padanta example, what you have to do? Suhrut is a padam.
Yes.
Gachati is a padam, yes or no?
Yes.
Then what should be applied first?
Just one first one.
Jastam 1 you have to apply. After that, only this rule should be applied because in the order, Jastam comes first.
Yes.
That's the sequence I told. You need to remember the sequence. Jastam 1, Jastam 2, Chartam 1, Chartam 2. Please remember the order.
Yes.
Now this is Jal letter at the end of the padam. Replace it by corresponding Jash letter, which is Sugrud. After that, you apply this rule, Jastam 2. Jal letter followed by what letter?
That is
Jash letter. Therefore, replaced by
Jash letter.
Jash
Correct.
letter.
Corresponding
Sugrud
Jash.
Gachati. So here only we are applying
The
this
Jash letter.
Jastam 2. Please note. Huh?
It's a good
Here
example.
only we are
What I
applying.
asked. This one is very good. Yeah.
Similarly, Marudbhyam, that is a technical, Marud getting technical Padasanya. Therefore, Marudbhyam. So here we apply Jastam 1 followed by Jastam 2. Here only we apply. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
This is Jastam 2. Then Chartam 1. Chartavidi 1 and 2, I say, but just Chartam only. When followed by Khar letter, what? Jal. Then Jal will be replaced by corresponding Char. You see the example. Dik plus Pala. You can take Dik plus Palaha is a compound. Dik plus Pala. What is Dik? Dik, okay, what it may be. It's not a
Jal.
compound. Therefore, in a
Correct.
compound, it must be a padam. What is ending with?
Jal letter.
Followed by Char letter. Therefore, this Jal must be replaced by corresponding Char. What is the Char letter for this? No, sorry. Okay.
This is not.
It's a compound. Okay. Dik plus Palaha, you can take it as a Yasta Padam itself because Dik itself is a Padam. You don't have to take it as a compound. Dik is one word, Palaha is another word. Okay, take like that. It's because here we have Dik, the word is there. Now apply, what you will apply Dik? First you have to
Jastam.
apply Jastam 1.
Dig will come.
Jal, this is the Jal letter Kakara, replaced by corresponding Jash letter, which is Gakara. After that, now you apply this
Like Khar letter.
Jal letter followed by Khar letter,
Khar letter.
applying Charta Vidhi. You get Dik Palaha. Understand? Yes. Two individual words, Sandhi is optional. Here I am taking Dik to be a word, Palaha to be another word. If we do Sandhi, then we get Dik Palaha. Sandhi between words are optional. Okay.
Yeah.
Dik Palaha. Similarly, Vipat Kala. Vipat is. Huh?
Saranji, suppose we had only Pala and we had it as Dik and Pala, then
That is a compound. That's a compound. That's all. There also say then Sandhi is a must, no choice.
okay.
then no choice. At least here, between the, if you take it as Vyasta-padam, individual words and Sandhi, you have choice. Take it as a compound, no choice at all. You have to make Samgite, Samase, Nitya.
Yeah. Samasa.
Vipad plus Kala. Vipad is one word. Kalaha is another word. Vipad means adversity, misfortune. Kalaha, another word. Sandhi we do. Sandhi between the individual words, not a compound. Then what we have to apply? First we
Just
apply
one.
justum one, no change, visible change, but justum one to be applied.
Yes.
After that, Kalaha, which is a kar letter, follows
Tatvama.
a jar letter. Replace the jal by corresponding char letter, which is Takara Vipat Kalaha. Understand?
Yes.
Then Drishat Patati. This is very clear. Drishat is a padam because Patati is a Kriya padam.
The
Then what happens here? Replace it Takara
Karam
by
becomes
Just from one.
Justam one Drishat. And after that,
Drishat.
Sandhi, if you do,
Chartvam.
Drishat Patati. Chartvam one. Understand?
yes.
And of course, Marutsu, there we have seen that Sandhi is a must because Prakriti and Pratyaya Sandhi should be done. No choice. Samgitaika Pade Nitya. Got it?
Yeah.
This is Chartam one. Then Avasana is optional. Like the word dig alone you take. Dig is a padam. Padante kimasti. Jal.
Jal.
Followed by what?
Avasana. Optional.
Therefore, you can replace, you can either, first you have to apply Justum one. Don't forget. Okay, see the order. Don't jump to Avasana Chartam. Huh?
Yes.
This is a padam. Padante kimasti. Jal letter. Replaced by Jash. You
Jash
get
letter.
Jakara. This is very important. I keep saying, follow the steps. Justum one, Justum two, Chartam one, Chartam two. You be familiar with these steps. Get oriented with this. Okay. So Gakara is replaced by now Gakara.
Avasana.
That is just letter. After that, you apply this Avasana, which is optional. When you apply, you get Dik. When you don't apply, you get same thing remains. Therefore, option. Like this is Marut or Marud, same way. Ramat, same thing. Ramat is a padam. Applying Justum, that should be applied first. Ramat you get. Then replacing the Jal letter by Chartam is optional. Ramat or Ramat.
Yeah.
Marud or Marut. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, I think we'll stop here. Any doubts?
No.
Yes? No?
No, Saranji. It's clear.
Okay. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Was there any disturbance in the class? My
No.
internet?
No.
Today's internet was stable.
Clear.
Yes.
Sharanji, is there an example where we will not have, which is not a padam, and a kar letter follows, and we directly apply Chatvam?
Yeah, directly. Compound is possible, no? Bhagavat Kripa in the last class I told, you know, the compound. Okay, not in a compound. Okay. Yeah, why not? It is, the examples are there, but you cannot know the examples now.
Okay.
Like the Tinganta example, other examples that we have not seen. You will see that. You know this is applied. Where it is, wherever applicable, apply. This is called Vishwato Mukham. Alpaksharam Asandigdam. Sorry, by mistake I have closed that. Fine. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Yes.
Alpaksharam Asandigdam Saravati Vishwato Mukham. Astobam Manavadyam Cha Sutram Sutravido. Right?
Yes.
So this Sandhi Sutra is there, its application is all over. It's not constrained to only one place, right? So therefore, you will see examples, many examples like that. So in the case of now we are against in the case of Subanta, you will see the case of Tinganta, etc. Examples will come. First, you know what it is, then context comes, you apply it. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. And we need to know Sandhi Vicheda, other things we will do the next class. Okay, I think we'll stop here. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawada. Saranji.
Karanji.